law says, or the rule that is, that if you have a triangle with one 4-foot side here, one 3-foot side here, and one hypotenuse or diagonal that's 5 feet, then this angle right here has to be exactly 90 degrees. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to take my tape measure and measure 3 feet down this string, make a mark with my felt tip marker, okay, and then I'm going to ask my friend Dave over here to measure 4 feet down this string, okay. Now, I'm going to put my tape measure on his 4-foot mark, and he's going to move that line back and forth, left to right, until I get 5 feet on my mark over here. Keep moving, Dave. Move it in a little bit more, in. Okay, there we go. All right, 5 feet. Now, I know that this angle right here is exactly 90 degrees.